Hey everybody. Um, okay, what you see before you is a test rig that I built by the instruction of a engineering friend of mine who has been schooling me as to measurements and how to do it absolutely accurately. Now, there's been some question about my small alternator generator as it to being over unity. Now, I apologize if the couple of videos I put up a little while back misled anyone, because it was not my intention. I had measured him with a clamp meter that, according to my friend, is not accurate whatsoever. And upon building this rig and testing it, it was not. I'll show that on a video in the next video. I'm trying to explain this at the moment, so I'll show you what I've done. What I have here is I have two separate inputs. I have a PWM that sits at the back, and I have a PWM that sits at the front. One's smaller, the other's bigger, and has a few more options. It has a little percentage meter on how much you're using out of the PWM. It has a reverse switch, and the other one just has a PWM motor controller, as well as the other one has that. Now, your power supply comes in from these 2 points on the side here. It doesn't matter what power supply, battery, AC to DC, power supply, it doesn't matter. It goes from that, it goes into both PWMs, depending on which one I want to use. And from there it goes to this wattage voltage meter. And this here is the voltage regulator for the alternators that I've been testing to see how well they work as to this generator system. This here is the battery input and the input from the alternator that goes to this 4 farad supercapacitor. Then it goes through this voltage, wattage, battery meter, turned on by this switch. It's not on at the moment, but and this little meter here tells you how much percentage this battery's at. Now, there's my negative post from the battery and alternator, and there's the negative post from the capacitor that will go to this battery. Now, that's just kind of a small showing you of how it is, right? And I put this big stainless steel handle on it just for geek factor. Alright, so that being said, I'll see you in my next video, and we'll test this sucker. Thank you.